Guys, somebody sent me a message about trying the face recovery mode in Portrait Pro 24. Now, in this photo here, as we can see, the flowers are in focus, nice and sharp, which was the main idea of this shot, but the face is out of focus. So I've had a quick look at this this face recovery section in the in painting section of the software. Now I've click enabled to see what it does, and if we look here, it has made the face look sharper. You might be able to get away with it from a distance. Now if you look here, it's put some sort of weird box or some sort of, it might be, I don't know what's going on here. Again, this is just new to this software, so it might improve over time, but at the moment it's put some sort of weirdness on the neck area. Look, I'll do a before, after. The teeth were visible, but now they've sort of gone all, I don't know, skew width. Now there is an option to change different teeth settings, and it puts like AI teeth over the top. It's processing that. Now, you know, you might be able to get away with it. It's not something I don't think I would use. Now, if you look here on the hairline, that's still gone a bit funny. It's not brilliant. Now, again, it might just be the photo I'm using, but I'll show you the difference with using something that is designed to do this sort of thing. It doesn't do the makeovers, but it's designed to do this sort of thing and fix, you know, blurred or out of focus photos. I'll show you the same photo in Topaz Photo AI, and it's done a real good job of fixing the photo. Again, zooming in close, it's the same, you know, same picture, but it's done a lot better job of recovering that image. So, you know, for something like that, if you're a wedding photographer and you like the guy said in one of the messages, you know, run and gun, you're shooting everything fast, you know, you probably get a really nice shot, but it's just a little bit out of focus. I would invest in using Topaz at the moment, because that is like their genre. That's what they do with their AI. That's what it's designed for. The feature in Pro is just another add-on, which again, it's not, you know, again, this is just one photo. Other photos it might do better, but as you can see with this, it's not doing a good job, in my opinion. Again, I don't use this software for this sort of thing. It's not a feature that would be, oh, I'm not going to buy it now, blah, blah, blah. It's an extra they've added for 2024. It may work on some photos. On this photo in particular, it's not doing a good job, whereas something that is designed to do that sort of thing, Topaz AI has definitely smashed it. As you can see there, let's do a before and after, just one photo. Before, after. Again, that's just letting it do its thing straight off the bat. You can add different, you know, you can make it even sharper if you want to, but I mean, it's done a really good job, as you can see there. Just fixing that photo, making it look a little bit sharper. Probably keep your client happy. They're not going to be pixel peeping, zooming right in. So yeah, again, it's a feature in there on Portrait Pro, but for me, it's something I probably wouldn't use. Again, like I said, I'm just trying one random photo I found, and the results just, it's not there. It's, you know, personally me, I would have said, don't put that software, don't put that feature in. Is it ready yet? Not in my opinion. I don't know. Again, it can't just be the photo, because this software can do a good job of doing the recovery. You decide. Anyway, quick video. See you in the next one.